So today I'm here to share with you guys the Miuphro KN95 face masks, okay? This is the 50 pack of disposable respirator masks, okay? Guys, this is what you guys are looking at right here. I have used these for several years now, guys, and one thing I will tell you, if you're someone who wears masks and that type of thing, and have tried several versions of masks like myself, you guys already know and have probably experienced masks that really don't allow you to breathe, really don't allow you to speak very freely, don't have much space, may not have the right coverage over your nose, your mouth, that type of thing. What I can tell you with these is, one, they are super, super, super comfortable. Two, they are totally breathable, which is so, so nice. Is so refreshing for that, okay? You can speak freely in these, okay? They're also the KN95 masks, which, as you guys know, come very highly recommended for very numerous reasons, to be honest. So of course that is also an additional benefit as well. They're super, super lightweight, okay? And on top of that, they have the stretchy straps, okay, which by the way are also extremely comfortable. I've also dealt with masks where you put it on your face and you put the strap around your ear and you're like, oh my God, this is too tight, or it's too loose, that type of thing. These are amazing for that. I'm gonna show you guys the inside of the mask as well, so you guys can see it. So there's an area at the top where there is a metal piece that goes right here so that it sits on the bridge of your nose properly. So you've got really great placement with this, and because it's that cone type shape, it allows you to really be able to speak and breathe freely in these masks, where you don't feel like the mask is literally sitting on your mouth or sitting right at your nose nostril, if that makes sense. They're very breathable. They are 5-layer, okay? Disposable, of course. And these are just those things that you just want to make sure you have every now and again in whatever, capacity. So it could be that you have these in your car, your gym bag. These are great for travel as well. We have a few trips coming up, and so I wanted to make sure to restock. Plus, we do a lot more adventuring in the spring and the summer. We are at public places where there's a lot of things going on, and it's always good to have these on hand. If ever you're at a place where you feel a little uncomfortable and you want that additional layer of protection, you've got this on hand, okay? And of course, as you guys see, this is what the design looks like. But I got the black ones. Just know that in addition to the fact that you've got black as an option, there are many, many other colors you can choose from as well. Originally, when these came out, I think they were only available in black and white, and now they're available in multiple colors. So you can actually choose a color of your liking besides the black, and just have your masks as you need them. So the other additional benefit, of course, is the fact that there are 50 in this pack, so these are going to last you a while. So anyway, I hope that this video helps in making your decision.